In today's video, I'm going to teach you Guide with Google Docs. Specifically, you'll learn how to stop Google Docs from automatically turning your typing into a bulleted or numbered list. If you've ever typed a dash or one at the beginning of a line and watched it transform into a list you didn't want, this quick walkthrough will give you full control over your formatting. With your document open, look toward the top menu bar and click Tools. This opens a menu with settings and utilities that affect your document. From that menu, choose Preferences. A small window will pop up. Preferences is where Google Docs keeps its autocorrect and formatting shortcuts. In the Preferences window, find the option labeled Automatically Detect Lists. This setting is the reason Docs jumps in to create a bullet or a numbered list when it thinks you're starting one. For example, typing a hyphen followed by a space or starting a line with numbers and a period often triggers list formatting. That can be handy when you want a list, but frustrating when you're drafting outlines, writing code snippets, or creating forms where you need exact characters to remain as typed. To prevent that automatic behavior, simply remove the checkmark next to Automatically Detect Lists. Unchecking this tells Docs to leave your text alone unless you explicitly choose list formatting yourself. This change is safe. It won't alter any existing lists already in your document. It only affects what happens as you type new content. Once the box is unchecked, click OK to save your preference and close the window. You'll return to your document with the new behavior in place, and that's it. Done. You can test it right away by typing 1, followed by a space or a single dash and a space. Instead of converting into a formatted list, the characters will stay exactly as you type them. If you do want a list later, you can still add one manually from the toolbar or the format menu, so you're never losing functionality, just gaining control. If you change your mind, you can come back to Preferences and turn the option back on in the same place. In most cases, Google Docs will remember this preference across your documents while you're signed in. Thanks for following along. Enjoy cleaner, more predictable typing in Google Docs, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.